Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with a product that's creating quite the buzz. The Olay Regenerist Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Brightening Face Moisturizer. If you're on the hunt for the best face cream with vitamin C, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes this face moisturizer stand out from the rest. This lightweight anti-aging cream is specially formulated to target dark spots and brighten your skin. Thanks to its powerful combination of vitamin C, peptides, and other nourishing ingredients. First off, it's designed to deliver 2x brighter skin in just 28 days compared to basic moisturizers. Plus, it's citrus-scented, silky, and lightweight, melting seamlessly into your skin without clogging pores or leaving a greasy residue. Now, let's talk about the benefits you can expect from incorporating this into your skincare routine. Not only does it visibly brighten and hydrate your skin, but it also helps in reducing the appearance of tiredness. And with continued use, you'll notice your skin looking brighter, more even, and smoother. Now, let me walk you through how to incorporate this moisturizer into your skincare routine. Simply cleanse your skin, apply the moisturizer evenly over your face and neck, both morning and night. And don't forget to follow up with SPF during the day to protect your radiant skin. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best face cream with vitamin C that delivers visible results, the Olay Regenerist Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Brightening Face Moisturizer is your answer. Don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and experience the glow. That's all for today on Product Critique. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy skincare shopping!